Welcome to the CosBond Workshop. Today we're going to get started on part 1 of our series on how we made Kat's lunar form outfit from Gravity Rush 2. In this video we're going to go over patterning, putting our foam pieces together, and hemming our costume with CosBond's Attach Build. Let's get started with patterning. One thing you'll want to do is try and wear the things you'll be wearing for your cosplay. I'm going to put on the gloves that I'll be wearing for my cosplay. This way when we make the armor, we'll know for sure that the pieces will fit. First, grab some plastic wrap. Then, begin covering the area you want to pattern. Go over everything with a layer of duct tape. Make sure you don't make anything too tight because your armor will end up being too small. I prefer to use white duct tape because you can see what you're drawing on it. Now we can sketch a rough outline of the base of our armor. Always include the seams where you want your pieces to connect. You can grab a friend to help you with areas you can't reach. Once you have everything sketched, you can cut yourself out down your seam. Begin to cut out the rest of the pattern you drew. Now we can transfer our tape pattern to some paper. I use construction paper because it's a little more sturdy. Because this armor goes away from the body, we're going to add some curves in later. When you put together the curves with the foam, they're going to want to curl to create the pointed shape you see here. This is the same principle we use for shoulder pauldrons. Now that we're satisfied with our base pattern, we can begin building on details. To do this, I lightly trace the base onto our construction paper, then I begin drawing the details on. Always add more than you'll need because it's easier to cut it down than to add on later. Once you have your patterns ready, trace them onto your foam. We can begin to cut out our foam once everything is traced. I use box cutters when cutting because the blades can be replaced when they begin to dull. We're going to join them at the seams using contact cement. Paint each piece you're going to join together, and then wait about 15 minutes until each side is tacky. Make sure you wear a mask or use contact cement in a well-ventilated area. Then, begin to use your thumb to guide them together. When your bases are together, you can begin gluing on the rest of your foam details. I use contact cement on the base of the pieces because it's better for pieces with constant stress. Give everything a few hours to dry. While those are drying, we can start modifying our jumpsuit. I found this outfit on Amazon, and with just a few changes, we can have something that looks similar to Kat's romper outfit. First, put on your outfit and figure out what length you want to cut it to. Once you've figured that out, put the outfit on inside out so you can begin pinning your seams together. Because I'm not the best seamstress, I'm gonna hem this outfit using CosBond's Attach and Build. First, I cut out the Attach and Build I'd need into strips. Then, I simply peeled it, stuck it to the hem of our outfit, peeled the release paper side, and then carefully begun to stick our seams together. Once I finished hemming the legs, I went over everything with an iron. This got the adhesives into the fabric and made my hem nice and straight. Thanks for watching. In the next video, we'll get started on the foam details on Kat's outfit, putting together her scarf, and then sealing and painting all of the foam.